today's lecture, still we have talked about something about reflection. In reflection, we have taken the topic of linear magnification or magnification. So we will talk something about this. We represent it as v minus v upon u. This was the case. Now, if the value of m, if m is greater than 0, yani positive means positive, it is possible only the case when image is virtual and inverted. In this case, image is virtual and erect. Virtual and always it will come with erect. And if m is less than 0, that is negative. Value of magnification, if comes out to be negative, then we will talk about image. Image will be real and inverted. All images which are real is also inverted always. So please remember this thing. So this is all about magnification. And if, for example, if m is equal to plus 1, what does it means? What does it means? Means m has positive value, the image will be virtual and erect. Then we use this formula, m is equal to minus v upon u. Here m is 1 is equal to minus v upon u, means v is equal to minus u. Means what? The size of the object, distance of the object will be equal to the size of the image. This is the meaning. The size of image and size of object will be same. This is called magnification 1. Always remember, this is the formula, v is equal to minus u. The distance of image will be equal to the distance of the object. Now we will take some more number of numericals with us. We have some questions, numerical. One more numerical we will take today. The calculation of this question: an object 2 centimeter high, an object 2 centimeter high, 2 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from concave mirror, which produces a real image, real image 3 centimeter high. Now calculate, क्या चीजें we have to calculate? What is the focal length of the mirror? Second, we have to calculate position of the image. So dear student, to calculate this, first of all we have to see how much things we have given. What is given in the question? This is height of real image. Image is what type of? This is height of real image. Image height we shown as h2. So h2 here given is real image is always negative, -3 centimeter. Okay, negative sign. And height of object h1, ये इमेज के लिए है, ये ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए. हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज हाउ मच? Height of object is 2 centimeter. Since this is plus, you have to remember, then if height is above this plane, this axis, x-axis, then this is positive, and if it is inverted, then it is negative. If it is negative, you can see height of real image is also positive. Height of real image. Okay, virtual image is also, height of virtual image is also positive, height of real image is positive, and inverted it is negative. So all these things, this is object height, this is object A, B, and this is image. If image size is this real and inverted, then it will be negative. So real image is 3 centimeter height. Real image is always found this side, left side of the mirror. This is a real image. Real image is already inverted image. That is why we have put minus sign here. Now we will calculate magnification first. Magnification is minus V upon U. Up the value of what should be the value of this? This is minus V upon U is equal to H2 over H1. This is the value. Now you can see here the object is 2 centimeter height, placed at a distance of 16 centimeter. The value of U is also given. Distance of 16 centimeter from concave mirror, that is minus 16 centimeter. Produces a real image. Then M is what? H2. H2 is negative -3 upon 2, and minus 1.5. This is the magnification. This is magnification. Now we will find the image distance and focal length. Two things we have to find out. So we will use first of all the formula again. M is equal to minus V upon U. M is, we have find out, -3/2. Minus V we don't know. U is given -16. So cancel out 2 8 the. From here we can able to find out the value of image. Negative sign is negative sign, cancels out. Then V is equal to -24 centimeter. V comes out to be -24 centimeters. This is the position of image. This is the position of image. Negative sign, what does it mean? Image is forming left side of the mirror. Real and inverted image is there. Now we have to find out the focal length, F. So we will use by mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. With sign convention, we will place the quantities here. 1 upon -24 plus 1 upon -16 is equal to 1 upon F. Now both are negative. Negative sign cannot be remains in denominator. It always go to upside. And when it will go to upside, this is -1 upon 24 plus -1 upon 16 is equals to 1 upon F. Now we will take the LCM. What should be the LCM of this? It should be 48. 24 4s are, or 3s are, or 2s are. 24 2s are 48 minus 2 minus 16 3s are -3 is equal to 1 upon F. It comes out to be -5 by 48 is equal to 1 upon F. Then find out F. Invert कीजिए 48 minus by 5. then 5 4s are 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, 9.6 centimeter. This is focal length. Negative means concave, mirror is there. So this is how we can able to solve the questions. We will take another question, is a small question. We have to take some pen. We will take another question. The question is, a concave mirror produces 3 times. Concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image. 3 times magnified real image. Image of an object placed 16 centimeter or 10 centimeter from in front of it. This is the question. Where is the image located? Where is image located? Where? So first of all, we have to see what is given to you, what you have, you are seeing in the question. So please extract from the question. Means magnified real image. This is magnification is given. When we are going to solve solution, then we will pick out m. M is 3 times. Means magnification. Since it is image of an object, real image is given, then it is negative. Sign will be negative. This is magnified object. 3 times of the object. What is the distance of the object that is given to you? U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Where the image located means you have to ask what is the value of V. So you go through directly. M is equal to minus V upon U. Placed minus 3 is equal to minus V over minus 10. So negative is there, cancel out. Then V is equal to how much? This is minus 3. This is the value minus 30 centimeter. What does negative sign shows? Means this image is forming left side to the mirror, which is real and inverted. So this is the some questions which we have done today. So this type of questions you will come across very frequently from this time. Now we will come to next section of this 10th class physics, which is very important criteria of the next you can say topic. Now we are coming to that topic, that is called refraction of light. We are coming to refraction of light. Now this is another formula. Refraction is something different from the reflection case, and we will come across this phenomena in various places. For example, Y starts twinkling. This is, we can explain by refraction. Why the depth of the swimming pool seems to be above from the real depth. This also we can give by refraction. Mirage form in desert areas. You have seen the mirage also, है ना, मरीचिका कहलाती है, हमें लगता है वहाँ कोई है, जब हम वहाँ जाते हैं we cannot able to find out nothing is there. This is called mirage. We can also give this refraction. Why diamond shines so beautifully? This is also given by refraction. So there are several phenomena from where we can use this phenomena, and physics play an important role. So first of all, to understand this phenomena, we have to understand about the medium. First thing we have to understand what is medium. You know, medium can be air, means gaseous, air, glass can be solid, water can be liquid. Means medium is of three types. Now what happens if we place a glass slab? Look very carefully. If we have a glass slab and we fall a light obliquely, obliquely means tircha. If we fall a light obliquely, light which comes from object, here luminous object is there, so beam of light comes, we fall obliquely. What will happen at this point of incidence? This is called point of incidence. Here we draw a normal. As you know, normal means what? 90 degree with the surface, this surface. This is called normal, n dash we can say. This light which we fall on the glass slab, this is glass, and this is air. Okay, here this light comes, this is called incident ray, which makes incident angle with the normal. This is angle I. Clear to you? Now what happens, अब आपको ये होना चाहिए था कि इस पॉइंट पर this light should go directly here. इसको ऐसे जाना चाहिए था, लाइट को ऐसे जाना चाहिए था ना. अब क्या हुआ, वो लाइट ऐसे नहीं जाती. What happens? It bends towards its normal. Bends towards its normal. So this light ray which bends towards normal, this is called a refracted ray. Which ray? Refracted ray, and makes angle R. That is called a refraction, angle of refraction. Now what happens? Again you can see that here medium is again air. Medium is air. So at this time, this is the point of incidence. Again we can draw a normal here, another normal, because there are two surfaces, first surface this, first surface this. Then it will go away from the normal. This will go away from the normal, this normal. So what happens? This surface acts as an interface. What we call it? Interface. The surface which separated the two mediums. Here air, here glass. Here glass, again air. Okay. We also called this medium air as a optically rarer medium. What we call? Optically rarer medium, air. And glass we called optically denser. Optically denser medium. So you have to keep this thing in your mind always. So how we can able to define that when light falls on an interface which is separating these two media obliquely, then it bends, it passes through one medium to another, then it bends towards its normal. This phenomena is called refraction. What we call it? Refraction. So you should be very careful about, or we can say when a light comes from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, it bends towards the bending of light when it goes from one medium to another medium. Then this phenomena is known as refraction. Is it clear to you or not? This ray is called incident ray. This ray is called refracted ray. Again it is different, emergent ray. This is called emergent ray. Emergent ray. So this phenomena should be very clear to you. What do you mean by refraction? Now we come to other side of this refraction. What should be the cause of refraction? What should be the cause? What is cause of refraction? Why? How it takes place? You see, light basically we are talking about sunlight. So sunlight is a source, basically it is a natural source, and every source has property that it has its own frequency. Source has its own frequency, and this frequency never changes. Whether this light goes from air to glass, glass to liquid, liquid to air, whatever, but this property of source will never change. As we know that V is equal to nu lambda. V means velocity of light, nu is frequency of light, and lambda is called wavelength. Nu means frequency, V is speed of light, and lambda is wavelength. So when light goes from air to glass, frequency तो कभी change होगी नहीं, it will never change. Then what can be changed? Means this speed can be changed or its wavelength can be changed, and this is the major cause of refraction. What happens when light enters? When light enters at the interface, its medium changes, and since this is denser, here medium is denser, this is rarer, then its speed decreases. Its speed decreases, and due to this speed changes from when it goes from first medium to another medium, its velocity changes, and due to change of this speed, it bends towards its normal. This is the major cause. Okay. If again, what happens when it goes from glass denser to rarer? It again, its speed increases. So here when it comes in denser side, its speed decreases. This is the major cause why refraction takes place, isn't it? Why a change in speed in light causes refraction? Why it is so? we will talk about in our next lecture. So good day, good night, thank you.